Good morning vlog! I'm on my way to work right now and I'm walking lang kasi it's nice to exercise din our bones from time to time. I still have time naman to walk around papuntang work, but I have to walk medyo mas mabilis para umabot ako at hindi malate. So I decided to pull up my camera and do practice vlogging habang papasok tayo sa work. For this practice vlog, I just want to talk about how expensive it is na hindi ka magbabaon ng food mo and coffee and start your day at work. Kasi kahapon, I realized na super expensive nga yung ganung system na bibili ka ng breakfast, ng lunch, ng coffee, ng merienda at work. Sabi ko kahapon, today, bibili na lang ako dun sa ng toasted siopaw. It's 12 pesos each. I bought 4. So that's 48. Tapos, nagbaon din ako nung instant coffee na all down. So, yeah. That's better compared to buying 200 peso worth of coffee from Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks. I'll continue doing that. Bibili na lang ako ng instant coffee na preferred ko, which is yung Sunmig na no sugar added. I like that. Tapos, bibili ako ng breakfast on my way to work. Kasi sa labas naman ng apartment, may mga nagtitinda din ng mga breakfast meals like pansit, palabok, puto, turon, and lumpiang Shanghai. So yeah, I'm here. I'm just waiting for the stoplight na mag-go na for pedestrians. I'm doing practice vlog lang para ma-exercise ko yung pag-vlog. Kasi to be honest, ang hirap niya gawin kapag wala kang practice, pag on the spot mo lang siyang gagawin. Maganda dito. Maraming nagja-jog. Very refreshing. Parang in this place na full of buildings and infrastructures, it's nice na merong punong-puno pa rin. Although BGC naman, mapuno pa rin siya kahit maraming buildings. Pero this one, ang nice oh. Very relaxing siya. So yeah, sama ko kayo minsan. Mag-walk around tayo dito or jog dito sa Track 30. These are the movers, yung pwede mong i-rent na scooters para mas mabilis ka makapag-travel dito around BGC. Okay, so I'm almost there at work. It's currently 7:45 a.m. Ang start ng shift ko ay 8 a.m. So just in time, we're here. Ayan. So, patawid lang ulit tayo. Nakagawa na yung pedestrian. And yay! Abot tayo. Actually, I'm worried kanina na baka malate ako. Kasi super traffic doon sa may bandang Pasig. Usually, nag-aangkas ako. Ang hirap na mag-book ngayon ng angkas, especially if hindi cash ang gagamitin mong mode of payment. Ayan na. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pasok sa banga. Hi guys! I'm back with another vlog. Charot lang. Same vlog but I just got off from work. Kinuha ko agad yung camera ko to vlog. To continue my practice vlogging. Itong settings nito, I tried playing around with my camera and from the settings na natural wide, nilagay ko siya to standard warp. For the microphone naman, nilagyan ko siya ng konting noise cancellation. Let's see kung ano yung difference. Currently, nandito ako sa area na to. Papakita ko sa inyo. Parang it's quite wide pa rin naman pala. Hindi siya parang masyadong na-crop nung tinanggal ko yung natural wide. So, it's still nice. Kita pa rin yung wide angle. Highlight ng araw ko yung toasted siopaw. I'm not sure kung alam niyo yung 3N Bakery, pero I guess they're known for their toasted siopaw and sobrang sarap. I'll probably buy that again for breakfast maybe. Not tomorrow, some other day naman. Pero ang sarap niya kasi nakakabusog din naman, mura and masarap siya. Sabi ko din kanina na titipid ako so hindi ako bibili ng coffee kasi nagbaon din ako ng coffee. But guess what? I ended up getting matcha again nung hapon na. Hot matcha kasi medyo malamig yung panahon and malamig din sa office. I had lunch naman sa cafeteria namin. Wala akong packed lunch. Masarap naman yung kinain ko. Pero nung mga bandang alas 2, alas 3, yan yung parang nakakaramdam ka ng gutom na ulit eh. So yeah, may natira pa akong isang toasted siopaw. So pinartner ko siya sa matcha. Oh, someone's shooting here. Nandito pala ako sa High Street currently. Parang may reveal lang sila ng kung ano man itong installation art nito. A lot of cameras! I also have DJI. Sama niyo ko dyan. A lot of people here. May mga tao doon. So, I don't know kung sinong prominent personality ang nandun, but so, I guess, meron tao dyan or maybe invited na mga vloggers. I don't know, content creators. Ayan, meron silang booth dito. So, why am I not invited? Hoy! Kamusta ka? Nagwa-vlog ako. Say hi to my vlog! Hoy, manonood ako. Na oras yan? Sige, babalik ako. Umiikot lang ako eh. Bye-bye! See you! I miss you! So yeah, I saw my friend, Terry. Actually, she's a voice-over artist. Voice actor. Voice artist. Ano ba tawag doon? But she's that. And super galing niya. And I'm really proud of her. And it's very nice na makita ko siya dito ah. I was just talking about this event. And coincidentally, nandito siya. So I'm really happy for her career. Terry, if you're watching this, I just want to tell you na I'm really proud of you and I'll support you sa career. I'm not sure if you guys can hear me. Sana the DJI mic is working. Dapat kikitain ko si Dustin, my friend, sa bandang Uptown later for dinner. Kakain kami together and catch up. Kasi we were working together dati. Tapos ngayon, nagkahiwalay na ng company. We're both new to our new companies na. And we're gonna catch up. Yun lang. Doon siya sa bandang Uptown. Yesterday, I was there din. Kinita ko siya. Meron siyang gifts. Thank you so much, Dustin, for the gift. Yun, ang regalo niya sa akin ay cufflinks and necktie. Medyo maingay dito kasi may mga trucks. So, lulipat tayo ng pwesto. I'll be back. Capture lang ako ng clips with my camera. I'll try to make it cinematic as much as possible, but as a beginner, hindi natin magpapangako yun. So ayan, I took some shots na ng surroundings. I'm not sure if that's enough. Probably not kasi konti lang. Puro ano lang, yung taas, ganyan, still shots. Ang ganda naman ang register ng ano ko dito. Complexion, skin complexion sa lighting na to. Tingnan niya. Okay, lapit tayo ko ng konti doon. Tapos I'll take some shots din doon sa may Central Square na building. And basically dito sa may High Street. Tapos compile ko para maging B-roll siya. Hi guys, this is me, Mr. Dan Henry, and welcome to my vlog. Actually, Like what I said, this is a practice vlog mo. Getting darker na. So sana, okay pa rin yung mga footages.
Good
Kita
evening
niyo.
and welcome
Oh my God,
to
Eda!
Fashion Global City. Thank you for joining us for the launch of the BGC Portal, Asia's first portal and the newest.
Ay, oh my God, ito yung portal!
Global artwork connecting people across continents in real time.
Yung
In
BGC
just a few
portal!
moments, we will
Oh
begin
my
the
God.
program for tonight's unveiling. Thank you.
Yun siya, BGC portal. Yung makikita na, I think it's a big screen. Makikita natin yung parang walkway din or streets sa ibang bansa. Iba't ibang bansa ang participating, I think. Tapos, mag-start sila ng 6 p.m. pa naman. So, I'll just go back here. It's, currently 5 p.m. pa lang. 5:35 p.m. So, babalik ako later. Ang dami ng tao, as you can see. So, ayan. Kanina wala pa masyadong tao, but dinadagsan na siya ng mga tao with cameras. Lumapit lang ako dito kasi I heard my friend siya yung nagvo-voice over. Yun, doon galing ni Terry. I'm proud of her. For sure, marami pang invited guests here. So, I'll just go back and check. So, for now, continue lang natin ang pag-vlog. Ang daming tao, oh my God. And I'm really happy na I'm doing this. Kasi it's a practice. Ito ang Shibuya Crossing. Ay, wala na. Tapos na. Ito ang Shibuya Crossing ng Pinas. Okay, so ngayon, hanap ako ng area na pwede ako mag-vlog. Sit down vlog lang. Isasalita lang ako to wrap this video up and talk about me vlogging, kung bakit ko to in-start, why am I doing this, ano yung plans ko for my YouTube account. And the likes, it's getting darker na, so kailangan ko ng light. So I guess here is okay. Hindi ko na dala yung ko ang dikit dito sa ganito, sa metal. But I have that accessory for my DJI Osmo Action 6. Pangit ng angle, so lipat ako. Okay, ayan, before it gets really dark na talaga, I'll try to wrap up this vlog na, this practice vlog, para ma-wrap up ko na basically. I found this bench dito sa area na to, and looks like it's peaceful naman. Maingay lang pag nag-go na yung cars, but otherwise, okay naman, mahangin din. So yeah, going back to my journey sa pag-vlog this 2026, it's one of my goals talaga na makapag-vlog ako at makapag-feel ng memories sa aking YouTube channel. So yun talaga yung ultimate goal ko na makapag-collect ako ng more memories, makapag-capture ng memories through video and pictures na i-upload ko sa YouTube channel ko. And I'm starting it right now. Basically, ang gusto ko kasing makapture is yung everyday life ko lang. And hobbies, interests, yung thoughts ko, ganun, without restrictions or without the pressure of producing good quality content. So, ano-ano lang, just for me, kung may manonood, and it's nice. Kung wala, okay lang din. Kasi I just want na after how many years, nakapagtago ko ng video like this and na-record ko yung daily life ko. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. Ididikit ko na lang dito yung mga clips ko for later. But basically, that's it na. Thank you for watching. Hanggang dito sa point na to. Continue watching if you want to see yung ano pa, yung event dun kanina sa may High Street. So, ayan. Thank you so much. Bye. See you in the next video.
Ladies and gentlemen, we now invite everyone to turn their attention to the portal sculpture as we begin the final countdown. In just a few moments, Bonifacio Global City will officially open Asia's first portal, connecting Philippines to the world live in real time. And one. Ladies and gentlemen, BGC Portal. This portal now stands as part of a global artwork that invites us to meet fellow humans beyond borders. Welcome to the portal. To the world, welcome to BGC. May we now call on our guests for the official photo at the BGC portal. May we call on Mr. Enrique B. Manuel Jr., Chief Operating Officer of FBGC.
Paulan naman. Hello Philippines to, nakalagay. Oo nga, no? Butter? Baka pagtapo lang yung ano? Wala na siya. Hello, my guest. Okay, hi guys, it's a prank. Hindi ko pa in-end yung vlog. I'm here again, yapping about life. About my life. Well, so yeah, tapos na yung unveiling of the BGC portal na makikita mo live on camera yung streets of different countries. Nandun ako, nakigulo ako. Nasa likod lang naman. Nahulog pa yung mic ko, so hindi ko alam kung it's working properly pa. Kasi talaga nahulog siya, tapos naapakan pa siya nung isang dumaan. So hindi ko alam kung nag-work pa siya. Baka hindi na. Medyo nasira yung puso ko doon. Talaga. Pero iyon, tapos na ako sa event na yun, umalis na ako. Hindi ko rin na-meet si Terry kasi she'll have dinner daw after. Niyaya ko siya mag-dinner kami with Dustin, pero she's not available. So, next time na lang daw. Kita-kita ulit kami. Currently, papunta na ako sa may uptown para i-meet si Dustin. Kami na lang mag-catch up and dinner. So, yep, patayin ko muna tayo.